Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today I will teach you about Social Studies, Class 1, Unit 3, Lesson 5, and the name of lesson is Where We Live, and it's on page number 22. Now open your books, page number 22. Are you ready? Okay. Your lesson name is Where We Live. Can you tell me where you live or where we live? Yes, we live in our house. The place where we live is called our home. वो जगह जहाँ हम रहते हैं उसको क्या कहते हैं? होम. यस, हम अपने घरों में रहते हैं. Again read. The place where we live is called our home, and we all need a place to live in. So, we live in our home. Good. Now move on the next slide. What is this? Anam stall. Wow, it's beautiful. Okay, now move on the next slide. What is this? Can you tell me what is this? Yes, it's Anam's doll house. You can look, it's a beautiful house. You can look here, a sofa, bed, 2 rooms, stair, Anam's and Anam's doll. It's a beautiful house. और ये किसका घर है? क्या आप मुझे बता सकते हैं किसका घर है? It's Anam house or Anam's doll house? Yes, it's an Anam's doll house. ये अनम की गुड़िया का घर है. Okay, now move on the next slide. Here you have given some questions. And the question number 1 is, how many rooms are there in Anam's doll house? Now again look at your book, page number 22. Here you can look Anam's doll house. Look at this house and tell me, how many rooms are there in Anam's doll house? Yes, 2 rooms. There are 2 rooms in Anam's doll house. Okay, the question number 2 is, how many rooms are there in your house? Yes, you write here about your house, not write about Anam's doll house. तो फिर आप मुझे बताएं कि आपके घर में कितने रूम हैं? Yes, write here about your rooms, your house rooms. Okay, I write here about my rooms. There are 4 rooms in my house. And the question number 3 is, on which street or road is your house? Okay, you tell about here on which street or road is your house. I write here about my house. So, my house is on Airport Link Road. I think your house is also on Airport Link Road. If your house is on Link Road, so you write here my house is on Airport Link Road. Good. Dear students, write question number 1, question number 2 and question number 3 on your notebooks. Okay, so we have completed this lesson. Hope so. You have fully enjoyed this lesson. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.